Problem number 28 asks us to express as a trinomial in standard form. So it's important to know a trinomial means your answer will have three terms. In standard form means it will go from your highest exponent, let's spell correctly, your highest exponent to your lowest exponent. So highest to lowest. It'll end with a constant if there is one. Remember, a constant term means there's no variable next to it. So the first thing you would want to do is multiply out your binomials, and you can do that using your box method. So you have 3x minus 4 times x plus 7. You can do that using your first, outer, inner, last method. Either one will be fine. I'll use the box method for this. So I have 3x times 1x would be 3x squared. 3x times 7 would be 21x. Negative 4 times 1x would be negative 4x. And negative 4 times 7 would be 28 negative. So then you have your boxes that combine. Your two x's can be combined. So you'll have a 3x squared plus 17x minus 28. And don't forget about this one, minus 1/4 x squared. So remember, you want it to be a trinomial, so you're going to combine like terms. So 3x squared minus 1/4 x squared gives you 2 3/4 x squareds plus 17x minus 28. It would be perfectly okay to write this as 2.75 x squared plus 17x minus 28. It's in standard form because you have your highest exponent, then your next highest, and then none. So those two answers are both acceptable.